Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock here, AVHI. It is down about 5% for the month so far, and today being February 23rd, 2016, towards the end of the day here. So the market is trading at new highs, all-time highs, record highs, but some of the charts that we've been looking at the last couple of weeks don't look great. So here we can see that this is what the RSI looks like. Of course, the stock is pulling back, as you can see. We can even conclude that if you draw a line here, let's call it at about 61.8, that the stock is being rejected, which could be the reason for this big drop. Now there's another view which I prefer to look at, and this is based on my method. I don't want to call it mine because I don't think anybody owns anything, but all the same, check out my method. The link is gonna be in the description of the video, and of course it's on YouTube. And this method here, if you take a look at the same stock from a long-term monthly chart, here we're going to take a look at all data monthly. I'm just going to draw a simple line that goes back to the break here in 2007. The highs there was at 80, in the 80s, let's call it mid 80s. We would go on to subsequently drop after this break here. Stock would go on to trade as low as about $5 or so. So that was a major break. We take that information and draw the line, hence the uniformity method. And you can see here was resistance with double top on this line with uniform action, rejected twice on that line. Keep in mind that happens to be at about 61.8. Now this was the highest here in 2014. We are coming here in early 2017. We seem to be forming a double top over the last couple of months, which might explain why we are starting to pull back. Now my thinking here is that more than likely this is a major sell signal. The next major direction is potentially going to be down, and substantially down. Now there's a warning here because this is something I see in many charts, which might suggest that even as the markets are moving and trading at all-time highs, the market might be concealing its true direction, because this uniform activity rejection on long-term monthly charts, and again this method is what I call the uniformity method, check the description. This method tends to be very accurate in calling for change in momentum, and right now it looks like it is calling for a change in momentum in one of these names, of course the one that we have in front of us, but it's something that I see in many charts. So you can check the charts for the stocks that you own. Chances are many of them are coming and giving this type of rejection signal, suggesting that we might be in a critical phase in the market where the next major trend is potentially for a major correction. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Yeah.